Have you ever wondered what's really in your home's water? Hi, I'm Michael with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. From chlorine to other unwanted contaminants, the water in your taps might not be as clean as you think. That's where a whole house carbon water filter comes in. A whole house carbon water filter is installed where water enters the home. It ensures that all the water flowing through your pipes, whether it's in your kitchen, shower, or washing machine, is filtered. These systems utilize activated carbon to remove impurities and contaminants from your water supply. You might be asking yourself, how does a carbon filter work? Activated carbon is highly porous, providing a large surface area that effectively absorbs and traps contaminants. As water passes through the carbon filter, impurities adhere to carbon particles, resulting in clean, safe water throughout your home. A whole house carbon water filter does more than just clean the water, it improves everyday life. First, it improves taste and odor by removing chlorine and other chemicals that can make your water smell and taste unpleasant. It's also great for your skin and hair since filtering out harsh chemicals helps keep them hydrated and healthy. Beyond that, it helps protect your home from unwanted contaminants like VOCs and pesticides, giving you a cleaner, safer water. Your appliances will thank you too. Filtered water helps prevent mineral buildup, which can extend the life of your water heater, dishwasher, and washing machine. And let's not forget the cost savings. With better water quality, you'll spend less on bottled water and avoid unnecessary repairs from hard water damage. So why choose a whole house system over a point-of-use filter? While point-of-use filters, such as those installed on individual faucets, address water quality at specific locations, a whole house system ensures that every drop of water in your home is filtered. This comprehensive approach means you benefit from clean bathing, cooking, cleaning, and drinking water. Before you install a whole house carbon water filter, consider a few essential things. First, you'll want to know exactly what's in your water. Different areas have different contaminants, so understanding what you're dealing with will help you choose the right filter for your home. Next, installation matters. While some homeowners like to tackle projects themselves, a whole house system connects directly into your plumbing. So having a professional install ensures everything is set up correctly and working efficiently. Finally, maintenance is key. Like any filtration system, a carbon filter needs regular upkeep, especially timely filter media replacement to remain effective. Stay on top of it and you'll enjoy cleaner, fresher water for years. Investing in a whole house water carbon filter is a proactive step towards ensuring a family can access clean, safe, and great tasting water throughout your home. By removing harmful contaminants and improving overall water quality, this system offers numerous health benefits and can ensure the longevity of your plumbing and appliances. If you're considering installing a whole house carbon water filter or have questions about improving your home's water quality, call or visit us online to schedule an appointment. Our team at Western Heating, Air and Plumbing is here to provide expert guidance and professional installation services to meet your needs.